everybody, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing Fluttershy from My Little Pony. If you haven't seen the Rainbow Brush channel before, we do have other My Little Pony drawings, so if you're interested in this one, make sure you take a look at the other videos. So I'm going to be telling you some facts in this video instead of just doing one trivia at the beginning and then giving you the answer at the end. You deserve a bunch of facts today. So first of all, good morning, good evening, good night to whoever's out there and what time frame you're in. Thank you so much for being here at Rainbow Brush. I really appreciate it. I love all the support that this channel gets. All right, so here is the human face. We're also going to be drawing the pony. And once we color it in, it's going to be amazing. Don't worry about messing up, as I always say, because there are no mess ups in art. Unless you're on commission, then maybe it is. So, I'm going to tell you some facts. Are you ready for the first one? Did you know that Pinkie Pie was originally meant to be a Pegasus? Kind of cool. Well, did you know that Rarity was originally meant to be the element of inspiration? This one is a cool one. I actually watched a documentary on My Little Pony, bronies, all those good things. And I found out that Spike is voiced by a female, which is really cool. She's such a great voiceover artist. You should see her, look her up. She does a couple things. She's amazing. So, I thought that was pretty cool. Look at that beautiful hair. To make this hair, you just have to make a few wavy lines. People think that you have to really get in there with 1,000 different lines for hair, but you really just need to accentuate and highlight with a couple lines. And then, of course, when we color it in, it's gonna look beautiful. Tresemme, am I right? All right, so Trixie Lolamoon was originally meant to be male. That's kind of weird. That's kind of crazy. Imagine if Trixie Lolamoon was a male. I think it would be okay either way, but I think it was kind of funny that they actually did change her to a male. They tried. Pinkie Pie is the only pony of the 6 whose name does not match her cutie mark. That's pretty significant for a My Little Pony. Celesta was originally going to be a queen. But I could see that. I could see Celesta being a queen. So, do you guys out there like My Little Pony? I'm guessing you do since you're on this video. I think it's a really good inspirational channel, and it's fun, it's entertaining. Yet at the same time, you're not, learning everything all the time watching it, but I think it shows really good friendship and stuff. Lauren Faust worked on the Powerpuff Girls before creating the show. I can see that. I can see the Powerpuff Girls in the My Little Pony series, the newer one. I can definitely see that. Daring Do is a recolor of Rainbow Dash. Wow, that's kind of cool. I actually didn't know that. And if you want to find out some more, I guess just look online, because that's where I'm getting these facts from. Google is an amazing thing. All right, so if you draw her right hand just going across, it makes her look a little shy, makes her look cute and good. And then we're going to put a couple lines on her dress, make her a little bit, make it a little bit more complete. And then we'll draw the legs, and then we'll draw the pony next to her. Did you know that Spitfire's voice actor did Buttercup in the PPG animated English dub? Kinda cool. Also, Diamond Tiara and Sweetie Belle have the same color scheme. I guess after so many My Little Ponies, it's inevitable, right? So of the 6, Twilight Sparkle is the only one of the 6 to be what? What do you think it is? Well, I'll tell you right now. Only one of the 6 to be an alicorn. Probably everybody knows that, but I think it's pretty cool. Rainbow Dash was actually going to be the central character, before she wasn't. Lauren Foss wanted to make it more clear Applejack's parents died, but didn't, because obviously it's a cartoon, they wanted to keep it light. Canterlot, which I think is a really cool name. I thought that was pretty cool. Well, he was inspired by Minas Tirith from The Lord of the Rings. So everything is really combined together, and you'll find that the more drawings we do and the more cartoons that we see, things could have changed so much differently just by one little choice. And I think it's kind of crazy. Yeah, how everything could have been changed and how everything could have been different, just like in your own life, I suppose. One decision here and one decision there can make a huge difference. So just remember that when you're talking to other people and interacting. You have a big effect on people's lives. So those are all the facts that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you've so far enjoyed drawing My Little Pony. Now, I don't care how old you are, there's always going to be people out there that remember My Little Pony from back when, as well as the new My Little Pony. They have lots of clubs, lots of cool things out there if you ever want to join those, no matter how old you are. And My Little Pony is just one of those things that's going to stick around forever, I think, and always be there. I still remember the original My Little Pony song. I'm not going to sing it for you, don't worry, but I thought it always gets stuck in my head, you know, and it's always there even though it was so long ago. I don't watch My Little Pony a lot now, right? But it was part of my childhood, just like the Care Bears and all those old cartoons. I was really into the 90s cartoons. I thought those were really cool. If you were too young to remember that, they had like Animaniacs, Freakazoid, all those weird cartoons. Darkwing Duck, Tailspin. Oh, Tailspin was my favorite. I love Tailspin. Oh man, if you're a 90s baby, you know. Or an 80s baby and you grew up in the 90s, you know. Tailspin was awesome. DuckTales. Woohoo! Love it. So what was your favorite cartoon as a kid? And if you are a kid, what is your favorite cartoon now? Is it SpongeBob? Is it, oh boy, I don't know. There's so many cartoons on nowadays. But what is your favorite? What was your favorite? And how far back did the cartoons in your life go? Because when you're a kid, there's always one of your favorite cartoons out there. There's always something that really reminds you of your childhood. Even if it was Power Rangers or something like that, what was it? What really makes you reminisce? So anyways, there we go. We're done with our drawing. Make sure you color it in any colors that you want to. Don't be afraid to color it in because that's the funnest part. Put something in the background if you want something in the background. Thank you so much for watching Rainbow Brush. Once again, my name is Brian. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.